Welcome to GenArtisan, the world's most advanced digital currency mining factory.
Today, we will show you how Bitcoin is mined at full industrial scale, or tree, step by step, in complete detail.
Scan check on this pallet. Seals intact.
Logging serials now. Put that one on cart 3.
Confirmed. Moving to staging.
Torque settings confirmed on Unit 3.
Sequence recorded on the tablet. Ready for the next connection.
Verify the CT clamp placement on Phase C.
Verified. Diagram shows it correct. Entering the firmware update now.
Effective airflow management starts with precise containment. We use raised access floors and hot aisle doors with magnetic to ensure maximum safety and effective EMI mitigation. Technicians install the copper grounding meshes using spark-free tools.
Attention! All personnel must ensure full compliance with contamination control procedures before entry.
The THD is spiking hard. We're losing headroom on the B phase.
Stabilized. Margins confirmed. We're good.
PDU sequence verified on all racks.
Startup profiles nominal. We are live.
We're seeing critical temps in sector gamma.
Adjusting baffles now. Ramping up fans to full capacity.
Readings normalizing. We have thermal balance.
All systems checked. TLS handshakes confirmed and failover endpoints validated.
Network is green. We are ready for manufacturing.
We're showing increasing heat on sector 3. Tightening the connection now. Torque set.
How are the levels looking during the simulation?
Readings are stabilizing now. Dampening efficiency confirmed.
We need to label these monitoring lines clearly.
Use the red markers for the priority connections. We're testing the network backbone's ability to process high-speed simulated miner traffic with minimal latency.
Confirmed. The redundancy test is successful.
Cable tray clear.
Harnesses look good. Ready for install.
Uplink failure confirmed. Initiate secondary reroute protocol.
Rerouting traffic now. Status check in 10 seconds.
What are your baseline readings for the HVAC?
Holding steady at 55 decibels. How about yours?
Same here. Baseline established.
Okay, push that one in. Did it seat? Yeah, got the lock engaged. Moving to the next one.
The readings here don't match the rack specs.
It looks like an imbalance on the B phase.
I'm adjusting the load balancer now.
Trace complete on rack 4.
Confirmed. All indicators green, 0 packet loss. Initiating final sequence. Monitoring sensor data now.
Levels are balanced. System check complete.
As you can see, the golden arcs illustrate the dashing
Here, the supply shock historically precedes the major bull runs we've analyzed. As you can see, the technicians are validating the nodes and inspecting the airflow efficiency in real time. Welcome to the Cyber Vault. Here, we visualize the secure digital environment of blockchain immutability. As I adjust the frequency curve here, you can see the immediate impact on the hash output and the corresponding drop in watt usage.
It represents the profound shift in our economic energy transformation driven by technology. Our multi-signature configurations ensure redundancy across the network.
Exactly. And the physical security models for these vaults are
Pleasure.
Welcome to the Executive Lounge. These terminals provide a live feed of the mining operation below.
Output from the deep shafts. Truly a marvel of engineering.
Digital artifacts. Each block is essentially a permanent chapter in the Bitcoin ledger.
Confirmed. Power levels are stable across the board.
By solar. As you can see, our energy recycling efficiency is up 15% this quarter. Turbine performance remains optimal.
As you can see in this breakdown, the multi-layered architecture folds inward, significantly optimizing our processing efficiency.
Scarcity is guaranteed by the halving cycle. This process, secured through proof of work, transforms energy into unforgeable digital value.
Yes, and the energy optimization efforts are exceeding expectations.
We anticipate exceeding the quarterly projections based on this data.
They are perfectly synchronized. It's beautiful in a futuristic way.
From cryptographic grade randomness, we're generating the seed phrase now, leveraging maximum entropy for key creation.
Inside the mass showroom dome, we visualize the globe synchronizers map.
This is the GenArtisan Digital-Mining Factory, where electricity becomes pure digital value.